personal but important topic: how to permanently remove hair from the vaginal area safely and effectively. If you're tired of shaving, waxing, or dealing with irritation, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share tips, the best products like sprays and creams, and even a natural DIY formula to help you achieve smooth, hair-free skin. Taking care of our bodies is so important, and that includes feeling confident and comfortable in our own skin. Finding a hair removal method that works for you can be a game changer. So, whether you're looking for a long-term solution or a quick fix, I've got you covered. Let's get started. There are so many options out there when it comes to hair removal, but not all of them are right for the delicate skin in our intimate areas. Some methods are harsher than others, and we definitely want to avoid irritation. One of the most popular and effective methods is laser hair removal. It's a more permanent solution that targets the hair follicles directly, leading to long-lasting results. I know a lot of people who swear by it. Now, laser hair removal can be a bit of an investment, but many find it worth it in the long run. If you're looking for something you can do in the comfort of your own home, hair removal sprays and creams are great options. They work by dissolving the hair at the surface, and many of them are formulated for sensitive skin. And for those of you who prefer a more natural approach, don't worry. We'll be talking about natural remedies, including a DIY formula you can whip up using ingredients from your own kitchen. Now, let's dive into some specific products that are gentle enough for your bikini area and effective at removing unwanted hair. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so what works for one person might not work for another. It's always a good idea to do a patch test before applying anything to a large area. When it comes to hair removal creams and tubes, there are a few brands that I really love. Look for products specifically designed for sensitive skin and that are free of harsh fragrances or dyes. Those are usually the culprits behind irritation. Hair removal sprays are another fantastic option. They're super easy to use. Just spray and wipe. Plus, they often come in travel-friendly sizes, which is perfect for when you're on the go. For those of you with coarser or thicker hair, you might find that certain products work better than others. Don't be discouraged if you have to try a couple of different things before you find your perfect match. For all my natural beauties out there, I've got a special treat for you. This DIY hair removal formula uses just a few simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. For this recipe, you'll need 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a small amount of milk. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory. Honey is naturally antibacterial and soothing, and milk helps to create a smooth paste. To make the paste, simply combine the turmeric powder, honey, and milk in a small bowl. Mix well until you achieve a smooth, spreadable consistency. You can adjust the amount of milk as needed. Apply the paste to the area where you want to reduce hair growth and let it dry completely. Once dry, gently scrub it off in circular motions. This will help to exfoliate the skin and remove any unwanted hair. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some important safety tips. When it comes to hair removal, especially in sensitive areas, safety should always be your #1 priority. Always, always, always do a patch test before using any new product, especially if it contains chemicals. Apply a small amount of the product to an inconspicuous area of your skin and wait 24 hours to see if there's any reaction. This next tip is super important. Avoid applying hair removal creams too close to sensitive internal areas. These products are designed for external use only, and getting them too close to delicate mucous membranes can cause serious irritation. And lastly, if you have sensitive skin, allergies, or any concerns at all, it's always best to consult with a dermatologist or medical professional before trying any new hair removal methods or products. And that's it. With these tips, product recommendations, and natural remedies, you're on your way to smooth, hair-free skin safely and effectively. Remember, the most important thing is to find what works best for you and your body. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more beauty and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you